Nothing can compare to the feeling of relaxing in a soothing, hydrating sheet mask. But an expensive price tag on these single-use skin saviors can make them a lot less appealing. So, make your own with our favorite recipes for sheet masks for every skin concern. All you really need is these magic compressed face mask capsules that you can find easily online, and they cost almost nothing compared to a store-bought mask. Just dunk them in one of our amazing skincare serums and watch them expand. If you have acne-prone skin, life may not always feel like a bed of roses, but at least this mask might help. Multani Mitti dries out your acne while the rose water soothes inflammation. Take half a tablespoon of Multani Mitti and add in 1/4 cup of rose water. Soak your sheet mask in this clay slurry and then let it get to work on your skin. You can't beat a chocolatey mocha coffee for your taste buds or your skin. The caffeine in coffee brightens and depuffs your skin, and the cocoa powder detoxifies. Start with half a tablespoon of cocoa powder, pour in 1/4 cup of black coffee, and drop in your sheet mask to absorb the delicious serum before applying it to your skin. Rice water has been taking the beauty world by a storm because of its antioxidant properties. Luckily, it's probably the easiest thing to use. Just soak 1/4 cup of rice in 1 cup of water for 30 minutes. You can store the water in the fridge and pour it over a sheet mask whenever you need a little dose of wrinkle-fighting goodness. You know how the best part of cereal is drinking the tasty milk left behind? Well, oats and milk have that effect on dry skin. The oats soothe dryness, and the lactic acid in milk gently exfoliates dead skin. Take half a tablespoon of oat powder, pour in 1/4 cup of hot milk and let it soak until it cools. Then dip a sheet mask in it for a shot of hydration. Summer is coming fast, and sometimes what we all need is a little icy freshness. Mint is naturally cooling and soothing, and green tea is super rich in antioxidants. Crush 10 mint leaves and add in 1/4 cup of hot green tea. Let the mixture steep for 10 minutes and let it cool in the fridge before pouring some over your sheet mask for an instant refresh. We can't get enough of these masks, and we hope once you see how easy they are to make that you'll give them a try too. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.